Secondary school named after Gagarin, teacher for Nazarvadina, grade 9, Unit 8, Travel and Tourism, lesson title and email about a visit. Learning objectives. Recognize typical features at word, sentence, and text level in a limited range of written genres. Plan, write, edit, and proofread work at text level independently on a range of general and curricular topics. Dear students, let's revisit the theme about linkers or conjunctions. What is linkers or conjunction? A word that joins words or phrases or sentences. Шылау дегеніміз сөз бен сөзді, сөйлем мен сөйлемді, тіркес пен тіркесті байланыстыратын сөз табы. What kind of linkers we are going to speak about? So, either or, but, and because. Exercise first, page 99, read the model text. Hi, Jacinta. I'm just writing to check that everything's okay for your visit. I think you'll like Oxford. On Saturday morning, we are going a bus tour with my parents because they really want to show you the city. You'll be free in the afternoon, so we'll probably meet some of my friends, and we could either walk around the town or go to a museum. It's up to you. I expect you'll end up in one of the cafes in the shopping center. On Sunday, maybe we could catch a bus or train somewhere. There are some typical English villages around here, like Swinburne and Burford. There isn't much to do there, but they are nice places. I'll get some photos and you can have a look. We are going to meet you at the railway station tomorrow, so can you remind me what time your train gets in? Looking forward to seeing your dean. Read the text yourself. Students, find out those sentences which have linkers and write down these sentences in your copybook and translate these sentences in your native language. Exercise 3rd, page 99. Find the words in the box in the model text and complete sentences 1 to 5. Which words express a choice? First, we can have a salad, a sandwich. Second, it's a pretty village. It's a bit boring. Third, I'm writing. I need some information. Fourth, it's cold. Let's stay indoors. Fifth, trains leave at 7:20. Writing guide. Students, you should look through Dean's plan and you will be able to use future form and the linkers in order to write writing guide. And you should do this task in written form. Task A. A friend from Britain is coming to stay with you for a weekend. Write an email about your plans for the visit. B. Think and plan. What are you doing on Saturday morning? Do your parents want to do something with your friends? What? What are the possibilities for Saturday afternoon? Where can you go on Sunday? How can you get there? What are the places like and what can you do there? Where are you going to meet your friends? C. Write. Paragraph first, introduction. I'm just writing 2. Paragraph second, plans for Saturday. I think you'll like. Paragraph third, ideas for Sunday. On Sunday maybe we could. Paragraph fourth, reminder, we are going to. Now students, your homework will be exercise first, second, third, page 67 from workbook. Express your attitude to the lesson and give self-assessment. I am ready to continue. I understand something but not hold the theme. I don't understand. I need to revise once more. The lesson is over. Goodbye.